Hello, today I'm making an easy steamed brinjal recipe. It's very simple to make and the sauce is very tasty. First, wash and soak dried shrimps for 10 minutes. While waiting, mince 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and set them aside. Strain off the excess water and pat them dry with a paper towel. This helps prevent the oil from splattering. Roughly chop the shrimps into smaller pieces and set them aside. Now let's prepare the brinjal. Slice it into long strips and place them on a plate for steaming. When the water in the wok is boiling, place the brinjal on the steam rack and steam on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes until the brinjal becomes soft. While steaming, let's prepare the sauce. When the pan is hot, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil, add the minced garlic and chopped dried shrimps. Cook on low to medium heat until the garlic turns slightly brown at the edges. Transfer the mixture to a bowl so that the garlic and dried shrimp doesn't burn. Then add light soy sauce and oyster sauce into the fragrant oil. If you like it spicy, you can also add chili oil. To test whether the brinjal is done, insert a chopstick or fork. It should be easy to poke through. Finally, pour the fragrant sauce over the brinjal and garnish with some spring onion and chili. That's it, it's so easy. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, see you next time.